Hi folks, how you doing? I know I've not made many videos recently. I've just been busy doing other stuff, sometimes life gets in the way of things. This is my Flying Scotsman, which if you watch the end of my last video, it was just a pile of bits in a tub. I took it apart because after remagnetising the magnet, it wasn't running well. It was a bit lumpy and just something wasn't right. So I noticed the lubrication on the axles was a bit sticky. So thought, get the wheels off, give everything a really good clean out, and get fresh oil in the axles. And I think that has done the trick. But I had to get new plastic wheel bushes, and I did video putting the Flying Scotsman back together, but I had a problem with the video, the audio. My phone did an update recently and it screwed my camera up. But anyway, the Flying Scotsman is now running really well. I'm going to do a running session in a minute, so you'll see it running. I've had absolutely no luck on eBay recently. I've been bidding and bidding on various things, but I just keep getting sniped at the last minute, or things go for just ridiculous money. However, I'm watching a few others, so I'll try and get something as soon as possible because I'm itching to do another repair. One other thing was, I did say not long ago that I might get a PO box for people to send me locomotives to repair. The PO box isn't going to happen. It's far too expensive. I looked into it and it is just prohibitively expensive. I think it costs about 40 quid a month, and you've got to pay 3 months up front. It never used to cost anything like that, so I don't know what the Royal Mail are playing at. But that's just way too expensive. I can't, justify that cost. So if you do have a locomotive that you'd like to send me for repair, email me, and you get the email address in the About tab on my channel. Email me details and we'll take it from there. I can't give any assurances that I will agree to take it, or if I do agree to take it, that I can repair it. But I'm interested to hear from anyone who's got a locomotive that they want servicing or repaired, and they would be prepared to send it to me. Righto then, let's get the trains on and I'll catch you later.